JAVELIN is Canada's largest 3D solutions provider, and they're located right here in Oakville. Their 3D models help companies develop new products and projects by creating designs for research and analysis, as well as creating their visuals.
3D printing is in every industry, really. So it could be in toasters, microwaves, fridges, it could be car parts, it could be aerospace parts, things that go on airplanes. Typically in Ontario here, where we're focused is in manufacturing. So those designers might be creating prototypes of their ideas, but then out on the shop floor they need ways to jig them, fixture them, hold them, so that they can build them. And that's where we come in, and that's where the printers really sort of excel at making those.
3D printing is also creating innovation in the medical industry, and JAVELIN just provided 2 printers to Sick Kids Hospital in Toronto.
So where we're going is individualized healthcare. So everybody's heart is different. If someone was to scan my heart, it's in a little bit different place and it's a little bit different shape and size than everybody else's. So what those hospitals are going to do is the radiologists are going to take MRIs or different types of scans of those organs where there's a complex problem. Once the doctors have those, they're going to be able to hold them in their hands and they'll be able to come up and plan how they want to go in and cut. Then they'll also be able to practice that and determine if the outcome, if the approach is going to give them the right outcome. When they go through that, it leads to a number of excellent things. One, the patient understands what's going to be done to them, so they're going to be more confident and sign off on that surgery. 2, because the surgeons are going in exactly the right spots for that patient, the patient is going to have a better outcome. They're going to have a shorter recovery time, and there'll be less chance of having to go back in a second time to try and fix the same problem, which, interestingly enough, for the healthcare system is going to save them costs.
Doctors are able to print the exact replica to practice the procedure and also have the option to enhance the products several sizes to do advanced research. And it also pulls away from the use of cadavers or animal experimentation.
What we're going to do is print out these 3D printed models, which can cost a little bit of money, and somebody's got to pay for those. But the way we're doing it now is with cadavers, or we're doing it with live animals. So certainly those animal rights activists would prefer that we not operate on live animals, and we have to nurse them back to health. So that's very costly. Cadavers as well, let's say you've got a brain tumor. The brain tumor in that cadaver is certainly not the same as the one that you've got, hence the need for a specific individual patient care so that doctor can practice on that actual tumor.
Currently, the 3D printers are used in various disciplines such as neurosurgery, vascular, and cardiac surgeries. For Halton News, I'm Kristen Demeny.